Have you ever wondered what it takes to build $1 million brand in 2024? It's not just about having a great product, it's about strategy, persistence, and understanding your market. Today, we're diving deep into the success story of Tiffany, who transformed her passion for jewelry into a thriving seven-figure business. If you're dreaming of creating your own $1 million brand, stay tuned, because Tiffany's journey is packed with invaluable insights and actionable advice. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Meet Tiffany, the woman behind the brand. Tiffany owns two jewelry e-commerce brands. The main one, the Traveler Series, focuses on lifestyle complement jewelry, such as alphabet necklaces and birthstone pieces. Her second brand, Tiffany Delay Studio, caters to the bridal market with clean, minimalist designs and pearls. These two brands are her babies, each serving a distinct clientele and allowing her to create specialized and unique collections that resonate deeply with her customers. Each brand has its own unique voice and aesthetic, making it easier to communicate her vision and connect with her audience. This separation helps target specific clients and build clear brand identities, ensuring that her brand messages are clear and effective. Number 2. The birth of two brands. Many entrepreneurs try to fit all their ideas into one store, but Tiffany knew early on to separate them. Blending different jewelry designs under one brand was getting messy, especially from a branding perspective on Instagram, so she created a second brand to streamline everything. This separation helped her target specific clients and build clear brand identities. Each brand now has its own unique voice and aesthetic, making it easier to communicate her vision and connect with her audience. It's about making life easier for her customers and ensuring that the brand messages are clear and effective. Number 3. Starting from scratch, the initial challenges. Tiffany's journey into jewelry was quite organic. Back in 2015, she was a property manager and wasn't happy with her job. She quit and went backpacking for 2 years. During that time, she explored creative pursuits like tattoo designing, graphic design, and photography. Jewelry making was a hobby that eventually turned into a business. One of her bridal photography clients asked her to make earrings for her wedding, and those earrings became her best sellers. This unexpected turn of events showed her the potential of turning a hobby into a profitable business. It's all about seizing opportunities and being open to where your passions might lead you. Number 4. Overcoming fear and taking risks. Tiffany admits that she's generally optimistic but also does her research. She believes in balancing optimism with a bit of caution to avoid being overconfident. This mindset helps her stay grounded while taking calculated risks. Entrepreneurship involves uncertainty, but embracing it with the right mix of confidence and caution can lead to amazing outcomes. By preparing thoroughly and staying informed, she mitigates risks and makes informed decisions that propel her business forward. This balance of optimism and caution has been a key factor in her success, allowing her to navigate challenges and seize opportunities with confidence. Number 5. Investing in education. Tiffany emphasizes the importance of investing in oneself through education. For her, starting a business requires being well educated in the field. Investing in courses and masterminds has helped her grow and avoid being the bottleneck in her business. Education is not an expense, it's an investment in success. Understanding the nuances of the industry, staying updated with trends, and continually improving skills are essential for staying competitive. Knowledge empowers better decisions, innovation, and driving the business towards sustainable growth. For Tiffany, continuous learning is crucial for achieving long-term success and staying ahead in the competitive jewelry market. Number 6. Marketing and branding. Initially, Tiffany underestimated the importance of marketing and branding. She thought customers would come naturally. However, she quickly realized that investing in marketing and branding was essential. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook require a strategic approach. It's not just about outsourcing content. Understanding and managing it effectively is crucial. Developing a strong brand identity and engaging with the audience authentically can make a significant difference. Tiffany focused on creating compelling content, leveraging social media algorithms, and building a loyal community around her brands. Consistent and strategic marketing efforts have been key to her growth and visibility, ensuring her brands stand out in the crowded online space. Number 7. Handling growth and orders. Managing growth and orders is a rewarding challenge for Tiffany. During the low season, her brands handle around 500 orders per month, while in the peak season, they manage over 900 orders per month. Seeing repeat customers and growing order volumes is exciting. Efficient inventory management, exceptional customer service, and scaling operations to meet demand are crucial aspects of handling this growth. Tiffany focuses on maintaining high-quality standards and ensuring a seamless customer experience, no matter the volume of orders. Continuous improvement and adaptation are key to managing growth effectively and sustaining the success of her jewelry brands. Number 8. Lessons from the first year. One of the best decisions Tiffany made in her first year was focusing on the bridal niche. Initially, she was testing various products, but honing in on the bridal market gave her a clear direction and a solid customer base. Specializing in a niche allowed her to become an expert in that area and understand her customers' needs deeply. This focus on a specific market segment helped her build a strong brand identity and cater to a dedicated clientele. It also streamlined her product offerings and marketing strategies, making it easier to connect with her target audience and grow her business. Number 9. Balancing work and life. Tiffany believes that balancing work and life is crucial for long-term success. She emphasizes the importance of taking time for self-care and setting boundaries to avoid burnout. For her, maintaining a healthy work-life balance involves prioritizing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and making time for personal interests and relaxation. This balance helps her stay motivated and energized, allowing her to be more productive and creative in her business. By taking care of herself, she ensures that she can give her best to her brands and customers, sustaining her passion and drive for her jewelry business. Number 10. Future plans and growth. Looking ahead, Tiffany has ambitious plans for the future of her jewelry brands. She aims to expand her product lines, explore new markets, and enhance her online presence. Investing in technology and improving customer experience are key focus areas for her. She is also interested in exploring sustainable and ethical practices in jewelry making, aligning with the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Tiffany's vision is to continue growing her brands while staying true to her values and providing high-quality, unique jewelry to her customers. Her commitment to innovation and excellence will undoubtedly drive her future success and expansion. Building a million-dollar brand in 2024 requires passion, strategy, and persistence. Tiffany's journey demonstrates that success comes from hard work, continuous learning, and a clear vision. By investing in yourself and staying flexible, you can turn your dreams into reality. Keep striving, stay focused, and remember, your million-dollar brand is within reach with the right mindset and determination. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay inspired and keep building your dreams.